Now the exercise 6.3, fifth sum. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, so that the distance between the ships is 4h by root 3 meter. Here in the diagram, let C be the position of ship 1 and D be the position of ship 2 and AB is the lighthouse. Its height is h meter. Let AB is the lighthouse. From the lighthouse, one ship is coming in the angle of depression 30 degree. So according to the alternate angles concept in the transversal, when the depression is 30 degree, here it will come 30 degree. So here also another ship comes from the top of the lighthouse. The angle of depression is 60 degree. So according to the alternate angles, this will also come 60 degree. So from the figure, we have to calculate the distance between the two ships. That is the distance between C and D. When we want to find the distance between two ships C and D, we have to first calculate the distance between A and C and A and D. Then we have to add AC and AD. So from the figure, AB is the lighthouse. AB is lighthouse. So what is the AB value? AB is equal to h meter. C and D are the position of two ships. C and D are the positions of two ships which comes opposite direction to the lighthouse. These two ships comes towards the lighthouse in the opposite directions. The angle of depression are 30 degree and 60 degree. So first I am going to take in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, now I am going to use the formula tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is AC. That is opposite side by adjacent side. So theta here is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to, what is the opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is AC. So AB by AC. Now what is the tan 30 degree value? Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to, what is the AB value? AB is equal to h meter. What is the AC value? So AC value we have to find. So AC I will take as a AC. So by cross multiplication, AC is equal to h root 3. This is the equation 1. So by doing the cross multiplication, AC is equal to h root 3. Next, in a right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, so you need to use the formula tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan 60 degree is equal to, now what is the opposite side? In right triangle, here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is AD. AB by AD. AB by AD. Now what is the tan 60 degree value? Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Square root of 3 is equal to, what is the AB value? AB is nothing but it is the height of the lighthouse, h, divided by AD. By doing cross multiplication, AD is equal to h divided by root 3. This is the equation 2. Now AC is the distance between the lighthouse and the ship 1. AD is the distance between the lighthouse and the ship 2. They are in the same line. Now we have to find the distance between two ships, that is AC plus AD. For that I am going to add equation 1 plus 2. That is AC plus AD is equal to, what is the AC value is h root 3 plus what is the AD value, h divided by root 3. Here I am going to use shortcut cross multiplication LCM method. That is, here we have to multiply in this direction, we have to at last divided by in this direction we have to multiply. So h root 3 into root 3, h root 3 into root 3 plus 1 into h divided by 1 into root 3. Here h root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. So 3h plus h divided by root 3. 3h plus h is equal to how much? 4h by root 3. So we proved it. Therefore AC plus AD is equal to 4h divided by root 3. Hence proved.